Good morning. My name is Satvik. I came from Hyderabad and have completed my Btech at Malayalam Engineering College. I have joined Qspiders at the time of June 16. So here I have gained a lot of knowledge from this institute where I have learned Java technology, Java full stack. I have joined in Java full stack where the sponsor is very brilliant in Java. So he used to explain Java very well and he used to clarify our doubts and when we asked and he used to conduct mocks every Saturday, Sunday so that we can improve ourselves. And when it comes to SQL, Viva Sir is based in SQL queries, and when we solve, if we have any doubts in SQL queries, he used to solve us, and he used to teach us aptitude where we can improve our aptitude skills. And when it comes, and later on, I have joined a testing where I have learned Java, Selenium, and automation where Nandini ma'am is brilliant in teaching us Selenium projects, and we have done many more projects in Selenium. I have learned the advanced Selenium, and later on I have got job where my salary is 2.4 LPA. Thank you.